41 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 24. 4 goes into 4 how many times? 4 goes into 4 one time. 1 time 4, 4. Subtract 0, bring down another digit. 0, 1 means 1. So 4 goes into 1 0 times, as 1 is less than 4. So 0 times 4, 0 times 4, that gives you 0, subtract 1. This one is our remainder. So our answer is 10, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0. But before this 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 12, which is greater, so 2 times. So 2 times 4, 8. Subtract 2, bring down another 0, 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. Right, 5 here, 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 10.25.